Venting hobs are a relatively new innovation in the appliance world to combine hobs with extraction. So traditionally, if you wanted your hob to be on an island or peninsula, then you would need to have quite a big extractor either being fitted to the ceiling or coming down and being in the way of where you're standing. But this setup means that you have nothing in the way, so all of your cooking and all of your focus can be on what you're doing, talking to people who might be around the island or looking out into the room, which is really nice. Typically, you also benefit from easier extraction and more effective extraction because the steam and everything that traditionally wants to rise and sort of float away now doesn't have any chance to, and it goes straight from whatever you're cooking, straight into the extraction and down and ducted outside. Sometimes people want to have pendants over the island or something a bit more decorative, and by not having any extraction above, you're more free to do that if you wish. So here we have a really good example of what can be done on the flex induction zones on the hob. So we're using the whole length of the hob with this dish that can span the whole area, and you get completely even heat across the whole zone. And we've set it to exactly 120 degrees to cook on the frying sensor. And that is just going to cook away for 20 minutes, and then we're going to have a nice risotto at the end of it.